Hi, in this video I'm just going to clean off the motherboard from the Cech PS3 Cech K03 machine. So I've just got a soft brush. Just be careful. I'm just trying to get rid of the dust. There's a lot of dust on that. There's 3 pads. There's this big one that comes off in one piece. What I do is I put that there. Ideally also I'd probably, if I had another battery to hand, I think I'd put another battery in it. There's 2 grey pads here. I don't think you can get them off with, oh that's alright. These ones look, oh yeah, that one's disintegrated. I'm going to reverse the position when, yeah, that, oh. I haven't got replacements of those grey ones, but there's this one and that one. That's all cleaned off. That's all cleaned off. That's all cleaned off. That's all cleaned off. Looking a lot better. I was going to put the vacuum cleaner up, but I don't really want to cock it up. Stuff. I'm not sure what that is. This PlayStation was fully working before I touched it, so hopefully I'm not going to cock it up. This is all. I should really test that. If I had another battery, I'd just put another one in. So this is just the CR2032 battery. See if I've got another one in them, and then I'll put that in before I put it back. I think that's going to be good enough. These, wish I had in some new pads. These ones have got dust on them as well, it's probably where they were hot. I'll have to just, if I just reverse the position, hopefully that'll be just as good when it goes back on. They're quite soft. Oh yeah, you can like plasticine a bit. That's not very good now. That one's bad. Oh yeah. But I hope this is alright. I'll sort of squish that in. Not in the right shape, right thickness. It should be right though. That's about right now. Dust's gone over it. That's it. That's the same. That's the same. This one's got fucking shitty. This one, oops. This one's got dust all over it, so I'm just going to reverse it. Reverse this. That's it. Yeah, I think that's it. It looks 100 times better. Oh, so the other thing was just to wash this off. So you need a little bit of alcohol cleaner and tissue. Just let me get that and then I'll come back. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.